Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you the Brevo WhatsApp campaign tutorial. If you want to know how it's done in this video, it's for you. So as you can see, I've already logged into Brevo, so you just need to head over and log in yourself. Now from in there, you can see that they have the option for WhatsApp, so just click on that. And as you can see, I don't have any campaign yet. So what we can do is we can click on this create campaign right here, and then in here, just name your campaign. So for example, sale 30%. After that, click on start. And then once you have done that, it will load in here and you just need to put in here the from. Choose which WhatsApp business account you will show. So in here, just click on edit. And then put in here a WhatsApp phone number that you need and link this on your WhatsApp business account. Next thing you need to do is you need to head over and select a list of recipients. So when you click on edit right here, you just need to head over and then select all of the list of recipients that you have on your specific WhatsApp business account. So you can see all of that right here. You can also see that they have this client folder and also the segments right here. So just head over and search for the specific people that you want to send this campaign into. Next thing you need to do is you need to edit in here the message content. Click on start creating right here. And in here you can start from scratch. Now you can also use a template. So for example, if you want to start from scratch, head over and click on start creating. And you just need to put in here the template name. So for example, let's name it sale 30% as well. And then in here, just put in here the template name. So it can be utility, marketing, and all this thing right here. So for me, I'll just choose marketing since it is a campaign. The template language needs to be in English. So for me, I'll just head over and just choose English right here. After that, click on start right here, or you can also log into Facebook to use this template in the campaign. So once you click on start right here, you will be redirected to another page right here. So let's just wait for that. And as you can see, this is what the campaign will look like. So just head over and put in here a body. Like for example, we have a 30% sale discount in our store. Visit now. Then insert the link. So you just need to put head over and then send all of those things right here. You can also include the header right here. So for example, for the header, sale, sale, sale. And then also for the button, you just need to put in here a button, like for example, quick replies or call to actions for that. So let's head over and put in here a call to action button. And you can also put in here a quick reply button if you want. So you can also add another button, like for example, a reply type, like marketing up. Then also the footer text and also the button text right here. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks!